'78 Ford F150 Ranger. Good front right quarter panel. A little bit of pinholing at the bottom. Chrome's intact. Good hood. Little damage. Good hood cowl. Good wipers. Even have a badge on this side. Good chrome. Good grill. Good wheels. Good tires. For now. Good left front quarter panel. Not a great door. But the cab's in pretty decent shape. At least from this side. The glass is good. The dash, honestly, is not bad looking. Seems to be intact. Four-wheel drive transmission is good. Auto transmission is good. Rear glass is good. Seat belts are good. Could be removed. Seats decent, but not great. Steel bed. Trashed bumper. Again, this is a '78 F150 parting out. It does have a good 351 engine in it. Though I do plan to take that for a different truck.